Hi students, Mr. Metelsky here, and this video will be covering percent change when the percent of the change and the old or original values are provided to you. So our question reads, in 2010, the average snowfall total in Philadelphia was 44 inches. By 2020, it decreased by 46%. What was the average snowfall in 2020? So percent change, we need to remember our formula, and the formula for percent change is the new amount minus the old amount over the old amount, and that will equal the percent over 100. Sometimes instead of old I use the term original, so new minus the original divided by the original. So in our case, in 2010, it was 44. That's the old amount. We're trying to find the new amount in 2020. So we don't know what the new amount is. So what we're going to do is we're going to let the new amount be x, and then we're going to subtract off the old amount, which was 44 inches. And then we're going to divide that by the old amount, which was 44 inches. And then that should equal the percent change over 100. Well, it decreased by 46%. So if it's a decrease, we should have a negative. So it should be negative 46 over 100. If it would have been an increase, it would have been a positive amount here. All right, now we have our proportions set up, and we can use our cross product property to help solve the problem. So we're first going to start by multiplying the denominator on the left by the numerator on the right. So that's 44 times negative 46. And then we're going to multiply the 100 times this term over here. So that's 100 times the quantity of x minus 44. Now, in order to solve for the variable, we're first going to have to multiply over here. So 44 times negative 46 is negative 2024. That will equal, and now we need to distribute the 100. So we're going to distribute 100 to the x and to the 44. So 100 times x is 100x. And 100 times 44 would be minus 400, or 4,400. All right, now we need to isolate x, so we're going to add 4,400 to both sides. So the minus 4,400 plus 4,400 goes away. And negative 2024 plus 4,400, that's 2376, and that equals 100x. So we're almost there. Now we need to figure out x. It's currently being multiplied by 100, so we're going to divide by 100 on the right and divide by 100 on the left. So these cancel, and we're left with an x on the right. And on the left, 2376 divided by 100 would be 23.76. Now keep in mind, the x was the new amount. So that means in 2020, the average snowfall was 23.76 inches, or about 24 inches, which makes sense because it said that it decreased overall. So if it was 44 inches to start, then it went down to 24 inches. That represented an overall percent decrease of 46%. All right, good luck.